thing that always occurs to me is that when you have a problem with your underground pipes, you don't know about it.
Yes, not generally until it's too late, for sure. So, partnering with people like Sewer Ninjas for sure. Some of the municipalities around to do education and outreach to explain to people like, here's what's kind of going on. Here's some options that you have to go and rehabilitate those pipes, as either preventative maintenance, or here's an option for you if you have a problem. You get somebody like Sewer Ninjas out on your job site. They can camera the pipe, explain what's bad, explain the options are for fixing it, and use the technology to get you a new pipe that'll last you for hopefully 50 years.
What about the lining that you're talking about? That's the CIPP, right?
Correct. So CIPP stands for cured in place pipe. The new technology that we came out with, blue light, especially, it has all the working time that you need underground, which is an insurance policy, until the light hits it. That's when it cures. So if you have longer stretches that take a little bit more, that's where a lining application would come in. For these pipes that are going underground, quality is the utmost importance. We need to ensure that when you're getting water and or when you're using the sewer, that it's working properly every time.
Why should you guys call us? It's because nobody does what we do the way that we do it. There are other companies out there that install pipe relining and pipe rehabilitation and CIPP, which is what we prefer to call it, cured in place piping. But this is all we do. We only install CIPP in sewer laterals all day long, every single day, all the time. We're not a plumbing company. We're not a drain cleaning company, although we can clean your drain. We don't do your bathrooms. We're not going to rebuild your basement foundation. We're going to come in and rehabilitate the pipes. So in actuality, because this is all we do, we're the best at what we do. And you can see that we're great at what we do because we don't have all these 5-star ratings on our Google reviews because people go, wow, I love the granite countertops you installed in my house. They can't even see the sewer line after we install it. They get a video, you get a video, and it's good. What you know is that the customer service experience, the efficiency, and the quality of the product, and our confidence in our job site is exactly what you're looking for, which is why we want you to hire us first. We might not be the cheapest, we might not be the most expensive, but we will be the best.
You can contact Sewer Ninjas today and make sure that you mention you saw the Morning Blend because you're going to save $100 on a sewer inspection. That's right. Their $250 inspection with video is now just $250. This offer is good for a limited time.